And we're back to learning Inkscape in here, day 7. Let me show you how you can create a rectangle. In principle, you can use these drawing tools right here. For example, the pen, pencil, or the brush. Just left click and drag. But you can see these are not perfect rectangles with straight lines. For that we have a specific rectangle tool. R is the shortcut for it, and you can left click drag to create it. Then you have 4 points. The squares are for resizing them. The center X is for repositioning it, and the circle is for the roundness of the corners. You actually have 2 circles. One is for X, one is for Y. I'm going to show you that later. Let me delete it and watch the top menu. We'll drag one again, and you can see here's the W, which is the width, and the H, which is the height. So you can also numerically adjust that. You don't have to drag it on the squares. And here's Rx, so that's the position for the first circle in the x-axis, and Ry is the second circle in the y-axis. And if I do that by hand, you can see how the value changes as I drag it. If you want to bring that back, you can also click right here on this icon for make corners straight. Here's the unit option, but you can also right click on your rulers, and if you can't see them, press Ctrl R. Let me switch that to pixels. You can see it changes the value automatically. Let me go to 100 times 100 yet again. For pixels, that's smaller than for millimeters. A couple of shortkeys that are good to know is Shift. This readjusts the origin point to center, but Control is the more important one. When you hold Control, it will snap to a certain size, a certain aspect ratio. When you go to a 45-degree angle while holding Control, you will have the same width and height. So this would be a perfect square with an aspect ratio of 1:1. And this is how you can create rectangles in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.